Good morning, everyone. A weird place to start. It is Saturday. We are out to breakfast. The squad is here. Everyone's getting their breakfast. Stopping eating before we go up. It's supposed to rain today, so not sure. He is literally making a paper airplane. Do it. Let's see what you got. Let's see your skills.
Trying.
Ooh, look at that fold.
So the pressure.
You've got it. It's not just us. It's only the internet watching.
There's a lot of pressure going on.
It's all right.
It's building.
I love how that's meant for your food to be on.
It was.
It was. Hold on. Ooh, look at that fold.
It's going for the jet look. Okay, I got you.
It's gonna be streamlined.
I got you. It's a jet.
The real question is it even? Ooh.
Is it even gonna fly? It'll fly.
We're gonna have to. You're gonna have to take it with you. We're gonna have to test it outside.
Yeah.
Surprised I remember how to do this. I'm not gonna lie.
I used to do different ones.
Ooh,
Yeah.
honestly, wow, yeah, it's made in flight did not go well. We're gonna have to test that when we get outside.
It's coming apart.
We already took a bite out here, but look at the spread. How good this looks. Ketchup on an omelet. What a psychopath. I can't say much though. I put hot sauce all over it. Got the Cholula. Well, breakfast was delicious. I didn't get a chance to get it on camera, but it flew. There is shit all over my glasses. All right, so we're out here braving the elements. We've been stuck in a holding pattern for a little bit. There was a little bit of lightning, but there's some rain. This is not the first time. Remember last year in Albany, it rained like a bitch the whole weekend. So, Lily's got the poncho. Marissa's poncho. My dad's got, we're in a giant garbage bag. Let's do this. Let's watch some lacrosse.
Oh, here we go.
Oh! Here we go. Some big fucking raindrops coming down. Just started raining again. My hair looks fucking crazy. Oh, but we are 5 minutes away. Denver Outlaws, Carolina Chaos. Jordan, it's fucking pouring, bro. Oh my god.
Cats and dogs out here.
Game time. Oh, game time. Hey, game time. Yeah. Feel bad for anyone who gets motion sickness. You're welcome. Go first face off of the day. And we started on time today too, with all the rain and everything. And it has officially stopped raining. Yeah, well, if Edwin comes back, it's gonna start raining again. That's what happened last time.
Yeah, no, Edwin brings the rain wherever he goes.
It was his poopy pants attitude. Oh! First goal of the game.
Yeah, guess what? Why's my back?
My back!
Because the jacket pulled up so much. My back and my neck are only like my toes and forward.
Are your pussy and your crack wet too?
Vented? My back. It's fine.
That's not that bad. Oh, that would have been nice. I just took my poncho off. I don't think so.
It's like Quidditch.
Yeah, what is, yeah, it's just a defensive players should be called beaters. It's a bludger, nasty bugger.
Is it wrong to call defenders beaters?
I mean,
Same thing.
I guess that's fair.
Except we have to give them clubs.
Yeah, they actually have to have the clubs. Are they the ones in charge?
They had clubs.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. We actually give them.
Oh, air ball.
30 seconds.
Oh.
Whoa.
Dude, you don't have time to run it. My man wasted so much time. Wisnauskas, I am disappointed in you. Oh, that was a good pass. End of the first quarter. Outlaws are down to the Chaos 5-2. Really scary moment. Chaos defender Jack Rowlett got hurt, went down, and it was pretty bad. Stretched off the field. I recorded it, but I'm not going to include it because, you know, out of respect. But hope he gets back soon. And then Denver needs to figure their shit out because Carolina's looking real good right now. You have, yeah. By rule, they have no choice. They have to have someone here. Oh, that could have been bad. Yeah. Love you can hear Paul Karkin's hair up in the booth from here. They're right behind us. Yeah. This game has become, it's a 1-goal game now. Denver is on the move this quarter. Yeah. Oh, threw it away. We have ourselves a tie game currently. Is that they call it a timeout? What the fuck happened? Okay. What just happened?
Continue. My bad. Got excited.
When do we break out the juggernaut? What's his purpose? To just ruin your day. That hawk is giving everyone the business right now.
I think it's an osprey from the way it sounds. And looks.
Oh! That was nice. Oh, dude.
1 minute remaining in second quarter, 1 minute.
Oh!
Hit by Henry Card.
Damn, they were bullying that boy. Goddamn. Halftime. Denver's up 6-5. Carolina's had 2 players get hurt now. I didn't get to see who the second one is, but he went down. Damn, my forehead wrinkles are getting prominent. I'm getting old, dog. Doing a lot of squinting. But, yeah, I mean, honestly, so far, good game. Leave me some Botox on that bitch. How we feeling about the rain? It's actually not. It's
a lot better now.
Yeah.
Not nearly as bad as I was before.
Oh, yeah. It's nice because I was like cooking in that fucking garbage bag. Honestly, this place is a little packed. The concourse at half. How does the Fairfield University though? Because they do an outstanding job with all of this. Out of all the places we've been so far this year, they do a great job. We're back, third quarter. I know, this was really perfect time. We got back right inside. Dude, he is, oh, honestly, at least you got backed up though. You have, dude, you don't have time to play. And shot clock.
When you guys originally said, I thought you said like, oh, he got his contact. It's like I'm thinking like him getting his contact information.
No, he got his wife's
like hands out like a business card to them.
I thought he meant contact high. I was like, I'm kind of jealous actually. Yeah.
Right down.
Oh, that was a rip. You good? Don't choke on it now.
Come on, Ross. Oh, wine in there.
Marissa goes, "Can I have that bottle of wine?"
No, I said they have that a bottle of wine.
We should go take it.
You missed it yesterday when Chris like called out to one of like the bankers down there, like one of the
Oh!
He goes, "Yo, toss him a beer," and the guy glared at him.
Got
so
clear, yeah.
Like,
But if you do it wrong, your throat just doesn't exist anymore. 36 seconds left in the third quarter. Wow, I can't read the board. Third period? Wrong sport.
That's what it says. It says period.
Oh yeah, it does say period.
Hold it for a few seconds.
Bro, they just be holding the ball to the end.
You didn't get any of the way of his video.
No, you're good.
Chaos hunting for their
End of the third quarter, 7-5, Denver. Chaos hasn't scored since the first quarter. Insane. Also, the guy that just walked by me to get down almost busted his ass. These metal bleachers are wet and very slippery. I almost went down once. Can we talk about my luck? They just did the t-shirt toss. I'm standing here. One just hits me in the leg and I bend down. I'm like, oh, t-shirt. I said,
Yeah, free t-shirt.
yeah, I'll take it, sure. It's a large. I don't wear a large, but I can wear a large.
Because they're not a small franchise.
No, but Comcast wanted to sell the team, and they couldn't find a buyer. So, like, yeah, we're just going to shut it down,
Ah, okay.
which is shitty as
It's
hell.
not that it's dropping, it's that they're just dying.
Yeah, they couldn't find a buyer, so they just said, yeah, we're just going to close it up.
They could have got some Phillies to like.
Oh, they just because the water dog. Okay.
Yeah. Marissa wants to say hi to Connor Farrell.
Oh, there's the Archers guys falling.
another big
On of Interstellar, like they were playing some sort of space game where they were like space boosting the Interstellar theme. The one guy who was really good at crushes kept going out with it.
Marv.
Marv, how was your guy? That was a wild movie.
It's a fantastic
My mom
movie. It's
hated that movie.
so.
Like, went so over. She's like, I don't know what you're talking about. I was like, I don't know either myself.
Allow me to get you the paperwork.
Allow me to deliver you the theory of what guys getting harassed down there.
They usually do.
Bro, like the kids were grabbing on his camera. Like, I would lose people.
Yeah.
Don't touch!
It's the company.
That's ESPN's camera. You don't care.
I wonder if it even is ESPN that like we doing internal stuff.
Regardless,
Like
it's
internal
not
camera.
technically your camera.
Like the PLL.
There's oil around. You can do it.
No, they allow Rick Ware Racing to run with the NASCAR events, so they won't be pissed at you. They basically do that. Cody Ware is pretty useless. Oh! Took the lead on that one. 9-8. 1:28 left in this game. Trying to save my battery, guys. So you're only getting parts of this one, but.
So steal my. I need to go right for it. Steal my phone. I'm trying to steal your phone. What's your name? Give me my back.
What is on the ground?
You ain't gotta be in there.
I don't know what that is. Oh!
the fourth quarter, 1 minute.
Oh, push. Ah, I don't know about that one.
They're getting pissy now.
This is just keep away at this point.
I mean, they're up by 1 at 50 seconds.
Yeah. You can kill off 20 seconds right here. They are mugging him. And he still scores! Pat Kavanaugh, dude! What? That is game. 10-8 win for the Denver Outlaws. Honestly, I feel like Denver just showed up in a better manner than Carolina did at this point. Hopefully everyone's okay that was injured. I know it was Jack Rowlett. I don't know, did you see who the other player was?
I did not. I don't think Chaos ever got over that first injury though the entire time.
Yeah, well that was pretty violent. So yeah, I don't know what happened, but we got Paul Rabel throwing t-shirts. Hey, she caught that. That was legendary. But yeah, we got a little bit of time here before we are all Utah, getting lined up against Water Dogs. Hopefully, they can repeat what they did last week when they beat the hell out of the Atlas. All right, we are about 5-6 minutes away from last game of today. Water Dogs versus Archers. This game has already happened before. They played in San Diego. Very close game towards the end. Water Dogs came out on top, but I think we know who I'm cheering for. I think we all know. We got yes, Connor Fields. To have my Connor Fields jersey on. I'm hoping Archers win, but hey, as you know, I wouldn't mind another blowout. I'll say it. Somebody pick it up. Somebody do something. Mac didn't even try. Four, 3, 2. All right, good D, good D. Which in any other context would be a crazy thing to say.
I have yet to start our diamond.
Yeah, when you do.
Get through all of his silly Star Wars.
Hey, Star Wars is not silly.
No, she's just being lazy.
How dare you?
Come on, Kenny! Come on, Kenny!
Yes, Connor Fields! Start the game off, boys. Oh. Oh. That was nice. You gonna wake up or what's the scoop? Yes! Steins! Let's go! Nice goal! No, you're good. Oh.
No, I accidentally crushed your back because I said sorry.
They are just wasting. Oh! Mac O'Keefe! They are wasting shot clock. Honestly, I would say you're down there. Take the shot.
Going back and goal last week. That shit was crazy. That shit was crazy.
Philly seems to know how to count. Wow, to make the space. And hey, you have to.
Look at that.
Whoa! Heads up! That's a souvenir for some lucky fan. Yeah, you see all the look at the children running.
I don't think it went on the inside, though.
I don't know. It might not have.
Didn't even know where.
Good save, Dauber.
This is the Brett Dobson.
You said you thought you were his RA in college?
Potentially. He looked way more familiar than what's his name did. I keep forgetting.
Alter.
Yeah, Belter did. But they both look so different. Like over the 3 years, it looks like they've aged about like 15 years.
Yeah, pro sports will do that to you.
Because I saw like a
Good spin move, Mac.
I saw a college photo of Dobson. I was like, I definitely interacted with.
Super nice.
I was like, I definitely have interacted with you at one point.
You just followed it. Yes!
And he held on to it, yeah.
Go, Dave!
Yes! Connor Fields! This ball's everywhere!
Come on, White! Come on, White!
Oh!
Let's see. I got slash.
I know I saw a slash, I saw a push. I saw... Let's go!
Word over there. I got a hole over here.
30 seconds remaining.
Is it let the goalie play a block or
So they really are just letting everyone play.
He's starting to walk a little slower now.
Is it Ambler? You got two. Oh, someone took that off the leg. First quarter up. Archers are up 3-2. This game is going to be stressful as hell, y'all. Oh. My jowls. What are you, a bulldog? Oh.
Once he brings out Andrea, it's all over.
Is that a half the distance to the goal?
Can't believe it.
Oh! 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 Wow! Halftime. Archers are up 6-4. This has been a great game so far. Matt DeLuca went out, goalie for the Water Dogs. I don't know what happened, but he went down and he's out for the game, it looks like. But their goalie has done well since. What is happening?
Range from 8 years old to 14 years old, and they're going to compete in a game of musical chairs. Simple as that. You guys are all going to stand up. Let's stand up right now. Go ahead and stand up. When Ralphie plays the music, you guys are going to go around in a circle this way, around the chairs. And then when the music stops, you got to find yourself a chair.
Oh, they will.
If you don't have a chair, you're out.
Yes, exactly. Tire them
And
out.
then you're left with one player. That player will be the winner.
All I smell is
and
food.
They are going to get a prize. We'll tell you what the prize is later when you win. But for now, this is Musical Chairs fans. Are you ready?
Woo!
Contestants, are you ready? All right, Ralphie, hit it! go straight to the left, to the left, go straight to the left, to the left, go straight, go straight to the left, to the left, go straight to the left, to the left, go straight, go straight to the left, to the left, go straight to the left, to the left, go straight, go straight to the left, to the left, go straight to the left, to the left, go straight.
Oh, chair went down.
Hey, guess what? Practice round. Practice round. Got you guys. Everyone back up. Everyone back up.
Remember that seagull? Some GTA. Oh.
Man, oh man, folks. It looks like the little guys, they've had it. They're officially out. Sorry, kiddos. We got 3 contestants left.
Drop to his knees.
And we're going to remove a chair. We're keeping this thing going. We need only 1 player remaining. There's 2 to go. 2 more rounds. Ralphie. Hit it.
Good tune. Oh!
Damn, son. Boys, get up. You're out. You're out.
You're out. You're out. Get out of here.
Hey, take the chair, pal.
You're out. I make the rules.
Congratulations. Okay, folks, we got 2 contestants left. Here's how we're gonna do this. We're gonna run around this thing. When the music stops, you guys gotta pick up one of those ground balls and you gotta score, okay? Ralphie, hit it!
Why are you focusing on the chair?
They are.
They both got
Oh.
the ground ball and the ball has
He's
to
trying to.
in order for them to go. And Rodney-
He was so worried about. Oh! Oh, he throws the stick at him.
Sit on the second line, right? And it's just awesome. Hey, I told you the winner's gonna get a prize. There it is, pal. Grab it. We're giving you a whole hoodie. Fans, let's make some noise for all of our contestants.
Woo! Oh yeah. So he's got the goggles on that allows him to really just see where the thing's going.
He's got the gyroscopic drone gun.
Yes.
That's pretty cool. Those things are so cool.
I love watching the people that race them.
The racing drones are insane. Yeah.
They're so fast. Shoot it! Oh! That's not gonna count though. That's not gonna count. That's not gonna count.
What's the rule say? Is that across the line?
That ball had to be out of his stick by the
Out of the stick or
it crossed the line.
Okay. I was about to say.
Well, there's 7 minutes left in the 3rd quarter. Archers are up 10-5, and we are under a
I thought we were clear.
we are under a lightning lightning.
It says severe weather. There's
yeah.
no lightning.
Yeah.
They say severe
weather. It's really a lightning clock. There's just a random cell that popped up, but hey, you know, we don't know until further notice. So we have to figure out where we're gonna go. I don't know if we're gonna go to our cars or underneath. We were just waiting for the drone. Honestly, wouldn't it be funny if that bird just got nailed? Whoa, he getting a little close, big dog. Oh.
His problem now.
Oh, I don't know what the fuck he's waiting for. Like,
I thought there was just one.
what?
There's only one more course.
He's coming. Yeah, he was just shutting the car off. Yeah. So we survived the rain. We survived the lightning. How was your last Bud Light or Busch Light Lime?
Diabolically bad.
They really aren't good. Like the
Bush
more
apple all the way.
the more you drink them, the more they're like, oh, this isn't awful. But like, you shouldn't have to drink something multiple times to be like, oh, I guess this isn't as bad.
Just get a margarita if you want lime,
For-
or just buy a lime and put it in any Mexican beer.
Oh yeah. No, absolutely.
Way better.
Absolutely.
Let's go!
Let's go! So, we are getting our stuff together, getting back in.
Time to finish the game.
We hope.
Nah, we're gonna get this shit done.
This shit came out of fucking nowhere.
It'll come out.
And then And then food. I need fucking food. So I'm out here throwing with everyone, throwing in a girl stick, and throwing with a guy's stick is so vastly different because there is no pocket here, and it turns out I am terrible with one of these. So if I get better with these, you best believe I can catch with fucking anything. Okay.
Say good luck, everybody.
I'm really glad I didn't have the poncho.
We're gonna try this again.
We got the inside scoop.
We did, yes. From shout out to Connor Field's dad. He's telling us that they're letting everyone in kind of at like 7, so we got a few minutes. We'll have enough time to get over there and head back. Yeah, maybe.
Where'd your koozie go?
He threw it away in the garbage.
Yeah, fucking right.
So yeah, we're gonna try to head back in. Hopefully the game restarts at like 7:15. Be done maybe 7:45, 8ish. And then yeah, we'll hope. Because it was just that one little thing. Oh. What a good guy, picking up his own garbage he didn't know he dropped. We are back after a much lengthier delay than we thought. We still got 10-5 Archers, 7 minutes left in the third quarter. Let's hope, boys. Let's hope. Let's hope. Michael Sowers' mom is sitting right there, just waved to her. That was adorable. All right, we're back. The action's back. Oh. Yeah, I would say that made more sense.
All right, fans, after the delay, we're back. 10-5, Archers.
Yeah, here.
Yes, Jack!
Yeah, you can't.
The camera guy almost got taken out.
Yeah, he did.
Pushed him back in the field. He literally probably just thought you blinked or something.
I think, yeah, maybe I saw one strike. That was it. It was just a quick flash.
Probably just heat lightning at this point. So
Yeah,
humid.
because of the humidity, absolutely. Yes! Good goal. Oh.
Josh Yako from downtown.
Right at the progressive side. Where's the progressive sponsor there? Can you imagine? They hit the Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline.
Oh. Yeah, that's gonna be, yeah. They were mugging him. Oh, good shot. Oh.
Who makes the save? One minute remaining in the third quarter.
I don't know. It's good.
Just the pro exhaled into the mic.
Oh, good move by Hannah. Oh, another move by Hannah. That was a good play. That was a good play. And who other than Michael Sowers? End of the third quarter. Utah's up 11-6. You can tell the field and the balls are a little wet because there's some slip and slide and there's some issues picking up the ground balls. Yeah, hey, listen, it's going well. Shout out to the ESPN crew up there. Hey, this was Letterkenny. Honestly, the skies really aren't that bad. It feels like a lot of people left though. But again, it's like the fourth quarter. A lot of people didn't want to stick around the rest of the game. Hopefully, thankfully tomorrow looks like it's gonna be way nicer. Ooh, nice snag, sis.
Mike Sisselberger with the face-off win.
Great bow. I know I'm definitely feeling food here soon. Nice, yeah! Connor Fields. Oh, that's just a bad look. I would say they're gonna call that a shot.
It's really funny because Mr. Fields is also saying he's like, yeah, I don't want to experience a baseball bar, pizzas, so it's got one for Connor in the back.
Oh, nice goal. That was nice. Was that Nakai Montgomery?
No, last time was Sally's.
So far, number 7. Kyle Lewis.
Oh no, Kyle Lewis. Oh, good save by Dobson. Oh, and that's gonna be Archer's ball. I know. Well, it's like, and the team is talented enough. You know, if you just got yourselves in a position and took better shot selections, this game would be a lot closer than it is. He got it.
Picked up by Woodward.
Attaboy Mason. It's so weird seeing Mason Woodward wearing a different number. Oh.
Woodward.
Oh yeah.
2-point threat. Can't get it to go.
Lily kept almost getting nailed by them too. I'm like, girl, just pay attention. Yeah, like they came over and they were like, I don't think you feel crazy. She was getting like nailed by them.
Good save, Trey. Don't fall. Oh, there's another one. This one is getting out of hand really quickly. Oh, yeah, this game is, I would say that this game feels pretty over. Oh, that is game 18-8. Archers win. 2 blowouts in 2 weeks. It's pretty great, but yeah, all that's waiting to watch them smoke them. But we will be back again tomorrow. One more game for the rest of the weekend. Definitely need food though. I haven't eaten since we had breakfast, so your boy needs sustenance soon. Stopped off for some food. The Wooden Tap, which is a place that we've been earlier this week, and the food is freaking delicious. So we are hyped. I'm hyped. This is the first thing I've eaten since breakfast, which that omelet was incredible.
Does that go right into the bathrooms? Does that go right into the bathrooms?
What do you mean? You just go into the hall. It's just turn the corner, and yeah, there's just bathrooms. You can't buy anything, he said?
No shirt.
So tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, well, we have all the shirts and everything we need, so. Well, the big thing with us is our team's won by a landslide this weekend, so that means, kid, your team needs to win by a landslide tomorrow. It'd be nice to beat Boston. Ooh, let's get this burger. This chicken sandwich.
Now, it's not Buffalo Wild Wings, but it was good.
Yeah. We made it all day with our ponchos and not getting wet. But like, we're gonna get fucking wet. So like a jackass, I forgot to end the vlog last night because I came home and passed the fuck out. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. It was a great day that could have been a lot worse due to the bad weather, but it ended up turning out fine. If you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, let you know anytime I upload anything new. And you caught me on the last day, so we're going to start that vlog in a minute. Much love, y'all. Thank you so much. I will see you guys next time.